Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. If you're looking for something to protect your floors from your furniture, CasterMaster has made the solution. My favorite thing about this product is the anti-slip feature. We had a big problem when moving into our new rental that had only hardwood and linoleum floors, so these really have been the perfect solution. I also love that they protect the floors from damage, especially living in a rental. That's super important to me. So having these caster cups protect it from scratches and dents is something that we really needed. Something that I also appreciate is you can use it for any type of furniture. You can use it for your kitchen table or your bed frame or a coffee table, your couch, whatever you need it for. They're really versatile. I have 4 here, but it comes in an 8-pack because I already have 4 on my bed right now and they work like a dream. So if you're thinking about getting this product, I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.